Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I make a Tootsie Roll cocktail. We go to possibly the best fish and chip restaurant in inland BC, and I make Orange Cinnamon Buns on the barbecue. You gotta try these Orange Cinnamon Buns, they are amazing. Aloha, and welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is my bar. With me as always is Mookie. Today we're going to make a Tootsie Roll. So I'm going to start out with my cocktail shaker. Little ice. It's just 3 components. I have some Kahlua, which is a coffee liqueur. And then I have creme de cacao. It's a white creme de cacao, so it's give a nice chocolate flavor. And it's supposed to taste just like a Tootsie Roll. And finally, I have some orange juice. So we're going to shake that vigorously. And then I'm going to put it into a martini glass. And garnish with an orange wheel. And coming up next, I'm actually going to use an orange to do Appies with Chappy by the Lake Breakfast Edition. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha and welcome to the breakfast edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I'm making cinnamon buns on the barbecue. So I saw this on the TV show Watts on the Grill with Spencer Watts. I thought it was pretty cool, so I'll give it a try. I'm just going to hollow out some oranges and put my cinnamon bun pastry inside the orange half peel and put it on the barbecue. So first of all, I'm going to take got a huge oranges, slice her in half, and then we're going to hollow out the orange half. I'll probably save the actual orange segments for maybe a salad later or something. Definitely don't throw it away. So I got some Pillsbury Cinnabon cinnamon buns. So I guess that's the franchise you see at the malls and airports and whatnot. So I'll just give that open. We'll give this a try. Oh, perfect. So it's come out in little perfect pinwheels. And I'm just going to put it inside the orange and pop that on the grill and we'll see what happens. Alright, so I brought one of my cinnamon buns for the road. I'm going to give it a try. Well, you can really taste the orange infused flavor in there. It's just a fantastic cinnamon bun. I can't believe how much orange flavor got in there. So I'm Chappy. This is my Appy, and that's Lake Mar. We're here to find out if a fish and chip shop can be the best fish and chips in BC, even though it's nowhere near the ocean. So Mookie and I will be the judge. Thank you for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie, and I'm Chappy. We're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give me a like, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.